Good afternoon, students.
Good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon, sir.
Yes, all of you can able to see the screen properly.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, let's continue with our next part. Okay, we are discussing the points related with the unit 3. And last time we have started this point, the information system development and the project management. Okay, in the previous lecture we have finished what do you mean by the information system development, why it is required, and the different phases which is being required in case of the information system development. Now our today's point of discussion is the project management. Okay, so first we understand what is mean by the project. What is your views regarding the project? What do you think? Okay, we'll discuss this point. So discussion is always better so that I can understand what things you know, and accordingly we can share the ideas. So tell me, what do you think about my project? What is the project? Are the different projects related with the different field are all the same? The resources required for the different projects of the different sectors are all the same, etc., etc. Now first you share me, what do you know? What is your view about the project? What is the project? Yes. What is mean by the project?
Series of tasks.
It is a set of tasks. For what purpose? Set of tasks. Doing set of tasks. For what purpose? Why you are performing the set of tasks? Yes. Ansari.
So project is a set of tasks which which user wants to their requirements. As per their need, we can perform a task, and the set of tasks is called as project.
So you are performing the some sequence of tasks or the series of tasks or the set of tasks. And what is the reason behind performing that task? You are to achieve something. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
You have to achieve something, or you have to reach to the some specific outcome. You got the point. When you are developing the project, why you are developing the project? Because you want that project to do something for you. Am I right?
Yes, sir.
You want that project to do something for you. You want some kind of outcome from you, outcome from that project. Understood? And so in order to build that project, or to get that specific outcome, you perform some specific set of tasks. What you do? You perform some specific tasks which are needed to completed in order to reach some specific goal. The same thing I have mentioned here. Project is nothing but what? Series of tasks that need to be get completed in order to reach to the some specific outcome. Okay, that is the simply meaning of the project. Here in the different way I have mentioned, project can also be defined as a set of inputs and generated outputs required to achieve some specific goal. In case of our software project, this is nothing but the simple thing. Yes or no? You are giving some kind of specific input and you are getting some specific output. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
And that specific output that you are requiring is nothing but your goal that you want to achieve. So that is another way of describing the project. That is, I have mentioned the project also can define the set of inputs and the outputs required to achieve some specific goal. So project can be a simple project, complex project. It can be happen the project is being managed or developed by the single person, or project can be managed or developed by the more than one person, 100, 200, it can be. It depends on the complexity of project. Yes or no? If the project is so simple, a single person can build that project. But if the project is so complex, the number of persons required to build that project will be more. So depends on the complexity of the project. The number of persons required to build that is depend. Okay. Also, I have mentioned the project in the another words, a project is the endeavor to accomplish the specific objective through a unique set of interrelated tasks and effective utilization of the resources. Here, what I have mentioned, a project is the endeavor. Endeavor in the sense doing the hard work. What? Doing the or putting the effort. Endeavor meaning is what? Putting the effort or doing the hard work. For what purpose? To achieve some specific objective, to achieve some temporary goal or to achieve some short-term goal. How? By performing some interrelated tasks. By performing some interrelated tasks. And in order to perform these interrelated tasks, what you need? You need some resources. Now, in order to develop the software project, do you need any kind of resources there? Yes. In order to build some software project, you need some specific kind of resources. Yes or no?
Yes.
What kind of resources we need to develop the IT project? Like we need the hardware, correct? We need the software. We might need the network to create the products, service, and the result. Understood? So this is the more specific definition I find here. Okay, a project is the endeavor to accomplish the specific objective through a unique set of interrelated tasks. Now, what is this set of interrelated tasks in case of the project developing? Can anybody tell me? What is this unique set of interrelated tasks? Tell me about the software project, IT project related with our field.
Aku jauh. Jangan aku.
Jayashree, switch off your mic. All of you got the question. What is this unique set of interrelated tasks related with the software project? What's unique interrelated task we have to perform in order to complete the software project? What are the different tasks? What task you perform during the building the software project? Yes. What task you perform? Or we don't need to perform any task. Is it like that? Yes. Speak up. What task we need to perform?
Planning, developing, testing.
Exactly. Yesterday only you have seen na. You know, to reach to the final outcome, you perform the requirement analysis, planning, you perform the designing, you perform the coding, then you perform the implementation, testing. These are the set of interrelated tasks. Yes or no? Understood now? Got
Yes,
the point
sir.
now? So, and you know, to perform these tasks, what you need some resources, like you need some hardware as a computer, some software tools, network, etc., etc. And so I'm calling this is the specific and very good definition I find here related with the project. Project is the endure or the hard effort to accomplish the specific objective through a unique set of interrelated tasks and the effective utilization of the resource. All of you understood what do you mean by the project?
Yes, sir.
Yes, and these are the different resources I already we have discussed. Now, below here I have mentioned some of the examples of IT project. Suppose you are developing some new system for the college administration, like the ERP. This is also the project, yes or no? Correct.
Yes, sir. Correct.
And suppose you are developing some new software or the system for business management, like MIS, Management Information System. It is also the one project, correct?
Yes, sir.
Or you are making or you are adding some new feature in the existing software application. What? If you are adding some new feature in the existing software application, that is being also called as a project, yes or no?
Yes, sir.
So these are the different, what we can say, example of the various kind of IT project. Now, let's move on to the discussion of what is the project management. What is the project management? Now you tell me what we will try to use some another term and then we'll come to the project management. Now, what is the event management? You must have heard this word. What is the event management? Tell me.
Teamwork.
Event management is what?
To manage a particular occasion or event.
To manage a particular function or occasion. What is happening in that? There is a one particular team manager who assign the different work to the different people there, correct? Yes or no? Suppose you in the college, you want to organize some event, for example, Teachers Day, you as a class coordinator. So you as a work, for that particular event, you are the team manager, yes or no? Now what you do? Now organizing that particular event can be done by only the single person.
No.
No. So you have to take the help of your friends, other students. Understood? You have to distribute the work related with that function event to that all the students, okay, who are there in that class or the department. And what you want to achieve? You want that function should be carried out successfully. That is your goal related with that function. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
The same thing is there in case of the project management also. Project management is also the what? Process of leading the work of the team to achieve some goal and meet the success criteria at specified time. Okay. So the primary challenge of the project management is to achieve all of the project goals within a given constraint. Now, what should be the goal of the project? Can you tell me the goal of the project? Suppose you are working in some project team. What can be the goal of that project? There can be a multiple goals, but can you tell me any goal related with that project? प्रोजेक्टचा गोल काय असू शकतो? Yes. What can be the goal of the project? Yes. Suraj, what can be the goal of the project? Yes. In order to complete some task. मग त्या टास्कला किती वेळ लागला तरी चालेल का?
नाही सर.
नाही, ती टास्क काय एक पर्टिक्युलर टाइम मध्ये कंप्लीट झाली पाहिजे. गॉट द पॉइंट? सो that and in order to do that you need to manage all the things. Yes or no? If you are the team leader, you need to manage all the things which is required to complete that particular task. You need to manage all the people who are going to work in that project. You need to manage the resources which is being required for that project, etc., etc. The same thing I have mentioned here. The project management is the process of leading the work of the team, or it is the teamwork. For what purpose? For what purpose the teamwork? To achieve some goal and meet the success criteria within a particular specified time, and to achieve all the project goals within a given constraint. Within a given constraint means what? What do you mean by the constraint? Constraint means what? की ज्यावेळेस तुमच्याकडे प्रोजेक्टची ऑर्डर येते त्यावेळेस तुम्ही काय करता, त्याच्यावर you do the requirement analysis as well as you finalize how much is the cost of that project. Yes or no? का प्रोजेक्ट पूर्ण झाल्यानंतर कॉस्ट डिसाइड होते? Project cost get decided initially or at the end?
Initially.
बरोबर ना. इनिशियली तुम्ही काय त्याच्याबद्दल you decide what should be the what will be the cost required to develop that project. Then you decide what will be the time required for that project. So these all the things comes under the constraint, some rules and the conditions. Meaning of the constraint is what? Some rules and the constraints. So here I have mentioned the primary challenge of project management is what? To achieve all the project goals. Whatever project goals you have decided during the starting of that project, achieve all that project goals within a given constraint. Within a given constraint means whatever the price you have decided initially, the project must be get completed within that price range. Whatever the time you have decided initially, the project must be get completed within that time itself. That is the meaning of what? Within a given constraint. Understood? So this is the one definition related with the project management, as it is indicating what? It is the teamwork to achieve some specific goal and meet to the success criteria at specified time. We can describe the project management in the different way. It involves the planning and organization of company resources to move a specific task or to achieve or to complete the specific task, event or duty towards the completion. Is this definition is also applicable? Correct? Is this definition is the correct or not related with the project management? Yes, what I have written, the project management involves what? Planning and the organization. This is the two important words. This planning and the same thing I have mentioned in the different words. Here I have mentioned project management. Project management is what? Is the process of teamwork or leading the work of the team to achieve the goals. And same thing I have mentioned here. The project management involves the planning and the organization. If you want to do the teamwork, do you need to do any planning? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
You
Yes, sir.
definitely need to do some planning. Now, in order to do the planning and assign the work to the different team members and to complete that work, or to in order to complete that project, do you need some resources? Correct?
Yes.
So this is nothing but the another definition related to the project management, which says what? Project management involves the planning, organization of company resources to move a specific task or to complete the specific task or event or duty towards the completion. Okay. So already we have discussed the project can be a new project or it can be an updation in the existing project, and resource management, which includes resources like the employees, like the personal in the sense the employee, financial things, that also comes under the resources, technology required to build some project, that also come under the resources. Okay, so if I say the managing a project is like being the captain or coach of some cricket team, is this statement applicable for the project management? I hope you have got the meaning of this statement. Managing a project is like being the captain or coach of the cricket team. Yes. Is this statement applicable for the project management concept?
Yes, sir.
बरोबर ना?
Yes.
तर कॅप्टन किंवा कोच कुठल्याही खेळाचा धरला, आता इथं मी स्पेसिफिक एक्झाम्पल घेतलं क्रिकेट, तर कॅप्टन आणि कोचला काय करावं लागतं, सगळी टीम व्यवस्थित त्याला हँडल करावं लागते. कुणाला बॅटिंग द्यायची, कुणाला बॉलिंग द्यायची, कुणाला कुठं फिल्डिंग लावायची, कुठे इन द ड्युरिंग द मॅच वेअर ही नीड टू मेक द चेंजेस एटसेट्रा एटसेट्रा. त्याचा फायनल गोल काय असतो की त्याला मॅच जिंकायची. एम आय राईट?
Yes, sir.
इथं आपला फायनल गोल काय प्रोजेक्टसाठी, प्रोजेक्ट आपल्याला सक्सेसफुली काय करायचा आहे, कम्प्लीट करायचा आहे. आय होप नाउ कन्सेप्ट इज क्लिअर.
Yes, sir.
So here I have mentioned the managing a project is like the being the captain or coach of cricket team, where the captain or coach get the different kind of experiences, thrills, and the various kind of exciting moment as a captain or coach of that particular team. Below I have mentioned the same thing in the different word. The project management always direct and coordinate the effort of the multidisciplinary team to meet the client's requirement. The project, now who is going to do the management of project? Who is the person which we will be responsible for that? Main person. इथं जसं क्रिकेटमध्ये कॅप्टन, तसं प्रोजेक्ट मध्ये कोण मेन पर्सन असेल हे सगळ्या गोष्टी मॅनेज करायसाठी?
Project manager.
Project manager. So project management has to give the direction to the that team members who are working in that project team. That's why I mentioned here project. The project manager would direct and coordinate the efforts of multidisciplinary team. What is the meaning of multidisciplinary team? What do we mean by the multidisciplinary team? क्रिकेट ही एक सुद्धा मल्टीडिसिप्लिनरी टीम आहे. येस ऑर नो?
Yes, sir.
इफ येस, हाऊ? क्रिकेटच्या टीम मध्ये सगळेच बॅटिंग करतात का परफेक्टली?
Nice.
नाही. काही बॅटिंग परफेक्टली करतात, काही बॉलिंग परफेक्टली करतात, काही बॅटिंग आणि बॉलिंग दोन्ही पण करतात, काही फील्डिंग व्यवस्थित करतात. दॅट इज द मिनिंग ऑफ व्हॉट मल्टीडिसिप्लिनरी टीम. तसंच आयटी प्रोजेक्ट मध्ये काही कोडिंग व्यवस्थित, काहींचं टेस्टिंग, काहींचं डिझायनिंग. यू गॉट द पॉइंट, मिनिंग ऑफ द मल्टीडिसिप्लिनरी टीम. येस?
Yes, sir.
I hope now concept is clear. And here I have mentioned some another things related with the IT project management. So already we have discussed ki, as initially only we have discussed ki project management or the project is different for the different sector. मेकॅनिकल इंजिनिअरिंगचे प्रोजेक्ट किंवा इलेक्ट्रिकल इंजिनिअरिंगचे प्रोजेक्ट आणि आपल्या फील्डचे प्रोजेक्ट याच्यामध्ये डिफरन्स आहे की नाही?
Yes, sir.
Yes. And so the skill required for that project of the different sector is also different, resources required is also different, etc., etc. Okay, so this project management start with the requirement from the client and then start working on the requirement of the clients or that user. So during this project management, the project management manager and the team members has to face the different kind of things, like they have to think about the hardware compatibility issue. They have to think on the various kind of software errors. The meaning of the glitch is errors. Okay. They have also think about the various kind of security loopholes, security concerns, etc., etc. And then only after thinking on all these things, the project can be built successfully. Okay. Now, important point here, which is being asked in the exam also. features of the project or different kind of attributes of the project for the 4 marks or the 8 marks. This question can be asked, and it is being already in the past also asked number of times. Attributes of the project. Attribute in the sense the various kind of features. Okay. Now first attribute of project is the purpose. What? Purpose. What do you mean by the purpose? Now students always have the confusion between these three terms: purpose, objective, and the goal. What? Purpose, objective, and the goal. Yes or no? Correct. What do you mean by the purpose? Now one simple trick I tell you here: when you have the point purpose, you need to ask question to yourself, why this thing has to be done, or why you want to do that certain things. That is the meaning of purpose. Why to do? What? Purpose in the sense what? Why to do. If objective, how to do. What? Objective as a how to do, and when the goal comes, what you want to do. You are getting what I'm saying? When the purpose word comes in front of you, you can have the meaning of that by asking question, why you want to do that. If objective words comes in front of you, you need to ask question to yourself, how to do. And if goal word come in front of you, you can simply ask question, what to do. I hope you are getting the meaning of these different words. Correct? Yes? Yes or no? What is your idea of purpose? What do you understand about the purpose? According to you, what is the meaning of purpose as a one feature of the project or attribute of the project? Yes. Purpose means what?
How to do the project.
How to do ये ऑब्जेक्टिव होता है, अभी मैंने बताया ना आपको.
Why to do.
Why to
Purpose
do.
means why to do.
कशासाठी आपल्याला करायचं.
Hmm.
बरोबर ना. याच्यामध्ये आपण काय म्हणतो, मराठीमध्ये पर्पजला काय म्हणतात?
उद्देश.
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 Purpose.
का करायचं आपल्याला. So when you are developing some project, what is the purpose behind that? When some company is developing the project or you individually developing the project, what is the purpose related with that project? Now purpose is always is what? Yes. You want to create something valuable. Yes or no? Purpose is what? You want to create something valuable. If some company is developing the project, what is the purpose for that company to developing that project? The purpose is nothing but, here I have mentioned, the projects are undertaken to accomplish something of some value to the company. Something of a value to the company in the sense the company want to generate some revenue by developing that project. Revenue in the sense what? Income. So main purpose related with that particular developing some project is nothing but, here I have mentioned, something, accomplishing something of a value to a company, like developing some system or the software. Here I have mentioned the main purpose undertaking a project or doing the project is to produce a product of some value to the company. Developing some product, and using that product, company can earn some kind of money, revenue. That is nothing but the main purpose related with some project development. Understood this point? First attribute.
Yes, sir.
Okay. And so these things begins with some initial idea, plan, and this project development then goes on. But the purpose is what? To have some valuable product to be get generated, and from that valuable product company can earn some kind of revenue. So that is nothing but the purpose related with the one of the attribute of project. Next, goal. Now, in order to reach that particular purpose, the some specific goal has to be get achieved. Okay, and there are the 5 most important project goals are there as attribute of project. Okay, let's see one by one. First is ensure that the project is completed within a deadline set. That is the first goal in case of the attribute of project related with the attribute goal. What is first? Ensure that project is completed within a deadline set. What do you mean by it? What is the meaning of first project goal?
दिलेल्या टायमिंग मध्ये प्रोजेक्ट
बरोबर. आपण जसं मी तुम्हाला सांगितलं इनिशियली आपण काय ह्या गोष्टी डिसाईड करतो की हा प्रोजेक्ट आपल्याला एक XYZ प्रोजेक्ट करायचा आहे. हा प्रोजेक्ट पूर्ण करायसाठी आपल्याला की 4 महिने लागतील, 5 महिने लागतील. 5 महिने म्हटलं तर तो त्या प्रोजेक्टचा पहिला गोल काय झाला की तो प्रोजेक्ट 5 महिन्यामध्ये काय झाला पाहिजे? कंप्लीट झाला पाहिजे. गॉट द पॉइंट फर्स्ट?
यस सर.
Yes, sir.
Second goal, ensure that the project is completed within a budget. जर तुम्ही if initially you have decided, you as a, for example, team manager, that this project will require the cost of 50,000. How much? 50,000. Means what? That project must be get completed within that 50,000 budget. Got the point?
Yes, sir.
That is the meaning of budget. Ensure the user satisfaction. Now you tell me about this. Third goal, ensuring the user satisfaction.
Fulfill the user requirements.
User ने जे काय रिक्वायरमेंट दिले त्याच्यासाठी युजर काय पाहिजे? सॅटिस्फाईड पाहिजे. ती युजरने असं म्हणायला नको का मी तुम्हाला असं करायला सांगितलं होतं तुमचा प्रोजेक्ट असा वर्क होत नाही. That kind of thing should not be happen. That is the third goal. Fourth, ensure that all the user requirements are met. The third and fourth is quite similar. And last, ensure the team management and incentive. This is the very important. This is the very important in the perspective of team members who are working for that project. Ensuring the team management and incentive. तो प्रोजेक्ट पूर्ण होईपर्यंत सगळ्या जे टीम मेंबर आहेत त्यांच्यामध्ये काय असलं पाहिजे? कोऑर्डिनेशन असलं पाहिजे. दॅट इज द मीनिंग ऑफ एन्शुरिंग द टीम मॅनेजमेंट अँड इन्सेंटिव्ह. व्हॉट डू यू मीन बाय दिस? एन्शुरिंग द incentive for the team members. Incentive means what? आता तो प्रोजेक्ट सक्सेसफुली कंप्लीट झाल्यानंतर फायदा कुणाला होणार आहे? कंपनीला. कंपनीला फायदा झाल्यानंतर एम्प्लॉयला सुद्धा थोडा फायदा व्हायला पाहिजे की नाही?
यस सर.
आणि मग त्या एम्प्लॉयला जो फायदा होतो त्याला काय म्हणतात? इन्सेंटिव्ह. काय म्हणतात त्याला? इन्सेंटिव्ह. गॉट द पॉइंट? इन्सेंटिव्हचा मराठीमध्ये अर्थ बक्षीस. नाउ अंडरस्टूड?
यस सर.
So after finishing that project, the team members who are working for that project, they must also get some incentive, or they must get some kind of what we can say increase in the payment, that kind of things. So these are the 5 most important goals. That is the second attribute of the project. The point I just previously told you, whenever you heard about the purpose, I said you have to ask question to yourself why you want to do that. Correct? And I said whenever you heard the word goal, you must ask question to yourself what has to do. Now in the purpose we have seen the purpose is what? Company want to complete that project, and from that project company want to earn some revenue. That is the reason company want to complete that project or do that project. Purpose, yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Now, to complete that purpose, you have to achieve some goals, small goals. Correct or not?
Correct.
बरोबर. मी काय सांगितलं की पर्पज म्हणजे का करायचंय ते, का करायचं तरी ते झालं. आता काय ते कंप्लीट करण्यासाठी तुम्हाला what you want to do. Now, what you want to do in the sense, these all the different kind of goals you need to achieve in order to give answer to that question, why you want to do that. Understood? And so, if you don't have goal, then it is considered as you don't have any kind of motivation in your life. Yes or no? Now, what is your goal as a student? As a student, what is your goal? Or you don't have any goal?
Qualified degree.
You want to get graduate. Correct. जर हे गोल जर तुमच्या मनामध्ये नसेल तर तुम्ही अभ्यास कराल का?
No.
No. And here I have mentioned the statement, a goal drives the object. A goal drives the project. म्हणजे काय की त्या टीम मेंबर्स साठी एक काहीतरी गोल सेट झालं पाहिजे की त्या गोलला लक्षात ठेवून ते टीम मेंबर्स काय करतील, काम करतील. म्हणजे त्या टीम मेंबरला ड्राईव्ह करण्यासाठी काय लागणार आहे, गोल. जसं तुम्हाला ड्राईव्ह करण्यासाठी तुम्हाला इन ऑर्डर टू कीप यू मोटिवेटिंग, in order to keep you always in the study mode, you need some goal. Am I right?
Yes, sir.
In the similar way, for the project team and the team members, they also need some goal so that they should be always in the working mode. So that's why I have mentioned the statement here, a goal drives the project. Is it correct or not?
Yes, sir.
Yes. And here also I have mentioned the different word. It is the sole motivating factor and define each activity, task, work, schedule, budget of the project. It provides some kind of direction to the team की आता काय करायचंय, आता काय करायचं, ही फेज झाल्यानंतर आता नेक्स्ट काय करायचंय. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
So this is the statement. It provides the direction to the team, and hence the project goal should be clearly defined. Ambiguity in defining the project goal lead to the project with the no end. What do we mean by the ambiguity in defining the project? The project goal should be clearly defined. There should not be any ambiguity. Ambiguity म्हणजे काय? Confusion. Got the point? की जसं स्टुडंटचे काही मुलांना वाटतं जाऊ दे आपण 5 वर्षामध्ये करू कंप्लीट डिग्री, 6 वर्षामध्ये करू, काही ना वाटतं 4 वर्षामध्ये. म्हणजे त्यांचं फिक्स नसते की आपल्याला डिग्री 4च वर्षामध्ये करायचे. यू आर गेटिंग द मिनिंग.
Yes, sir.
So the project goal should be clearly defined. That is nothing but the another attribute related with the project. First attribute what we have seen.
Yes.
What is the first attribute of the project is what?
Purpose.
Purpose. Second, goal. What is the difference between two? That is the important.
Goal.
What is the difference between two? That is the important. Purpose आणि goal मध्ये फरक काय?
Purpose means why to do. Goal
का
means
आपल्याला
what
का करायचा तो
will-
प्रोजेक्ट आपल्याला का करायचा आहे? का करायचा आहे? आपल्याला कंपनीचं रेव्हेन्यू इन्क्रीमेंट करायचंय. बरोबर ना? समजलं?
Yes.
आणि गोल तो
What
जो
to do.
पर्पज पूर्णसाठी नक्की काय करावं लागेल आपल्याला. नाव अंडरस्टूड. तुम्ही या दोन्ही गोष्टीमधले कन्फ्युजन क्लिअर करून घ्या लगेच माझ्याकडून. कन्फ्युजन क्लिअर झालं तुमचं?
Yes, sir.
ओके ना? पर्पज इन द सेन्स का करायचंय, गोल करायचंय, पण मग त्यासाठी काय करावं लागेल? गॉट द पॉइंट?
Yes, sir.
आणि ऑब्जेक्टिव्ह जर तुम्ही म्हटलं, आता ऑब्जेक्टिव्ह तर काय घ्यायची गरज नाही आपल्याला. जर ऑब्जेक्टिव्ह म्हटलं तर कसं करायचं? यू गॉट द पॉइंट?
Yes, sir.
नाउ in English, why to do, purpose, goal, what to do, that is goal, and objective, how to do. Now I don't find any need of further explanation. Understood now?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Let's move to the third attribute, that is the time frame. A project has the certain or the definite starting time period and the end time period. When these all the phases of the project, initially only requirement phases is being when the project is going on in the requirement phase, at that time only project starting time and the project terminating time or the ending time has to be get decided. That is nothing but the referred as a time frame. A project has a definite start and the end. The time frame for the achieving the goal is estimated based on the duration of the various project activities. की फायनल कंप्लीट प्रोजेक्ट पूर्ण करण्यासाठी किती वेळ लागेल, तर ते कशावरून, इट इज बेस्ड ऑन व्हॉट? द कंप्लीट टाइम विल रिक्वायर टू कंप्लीट द फायनल प्रोजेक्ट. It is based on what? It is based on the various project activities. It is based on what? Various project activities. In the sense, requirement analysis साठी किती वेळ लागेल, त्याच्यानंतर डिझायनिंग साठी किती वेळ लागेल, कोडिंग साठी किती वेळ लागेल, टेस्टिंग साठी किती वेळ लागेल. The combination of all these activities time is nothing but the final time requirement for the final completion of the project. Got the point?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so that is the time frame. It is simply nothing but the related with the deciding the starting time of the project and end time of the project. How much time will be required to complete the final project based on the various sub activities of that project. That is our third attribute of the project. Next, fourth one, interrelated task and the resources. What is this interrelated task and the resources? Already we have discussed, but just now put in the attribute is being put in the another words. What do you mean by the interrelated task and the resources as a attribute of the project? Tell me. Attribute of a project as a interrelated task and the resources. What are the interrelated tasks for project? What are the interrelated tasks for project? Yes, do you got the question? What are the interrelated tasks for project? Vaishali, what are the interrelated tasks for project? Yes, speak up.
Coding analysis.
ते सांगितलं ना रे मगाशी तुम्हाला, interrelated tasks are nothing but that all the phases of the project. And utilizing the resources in the sense the employee, like the people I mentioned here, employee, various software, hardware, and other technology as an asset of that particular company. That is nothing but the fourth attribute or the feature of the project. That is the interrelated task and the resources. And last one here we have, that is the ownership. Ownership as an attribute of the project. Ownership म्हणजे काय? What do you mean by the owner? From the owner, the word ownership is being taken. Owner म्हणजे काय? General meaning. मालक. मग प्रोजेक्ट रिलेटेड मालक कोण असणार आहे? Who is going to the owner of the project? Or for that owner, there is another word, stakeholder. Who is going to be the final stakeholder of the project, or who is going to be the final owner of that project? Who? Think.
User.
Customer or the user? Because who is paying the money for project? Customer. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
So here I have mentioned the project has various stakeholders. Various stakeholders in the sense the project, in the owner of the project, there comes that company also comes. Okay, the employee also comes, manager also comes, but the primary owner, the main owner is nothing but the project sponsor. Sponsor in the sense those who are paying for that project. Got the point?
Yes, sir.
And who is paying? The customer itself is paying for that project. So a project sponsor is responsible for funding, directing, and various permission related with that project, etc. Okay. So here I have mentioned for the project manager, the project sponsor is the owner of that project, and the owner finally is going to be the customer who has given the order of that project, and that is nothing but our final attribute of the project. Okay, so 5 attributes or the features of the project we have discussed. Which are that? First one was
Purpose,
purpose. Second,
goal,
goal. Third,
time frame,
time frame. Fourth,
interrelated task and resources.
interrelated task and the resources. And last one is the ownership. Okay, got this point?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, that's it for the today's lecture. We will continue the next part in the next lecture. Thank you all of you.
Thank you, sir.